In today's simple, affordable, and nutritious meal, we're going to be combining two nutritious local foods, Z maize and Dacryodes edulis. Now, Z maize has got lots of key nutrients. I mean, phytocomponents such as complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, thiamine, folate, vitamin C, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, with the key ones being lutein, zeaxanthin, ferulic acid, and anthocyanins. Now, lutein is very important for your eye health. If you're having any age-related eye problems, you should feed more on Z-maize. Utilize this opportunity that it is in season to get the most out of it. Lutein with zeaxanthin works better to protect the retina. Anthocyanin is a powerful antioxidant that your cells need to survive. Z-maize will provide you with sustained energy, support your digestive system, helps maintain your vision with the help of lutein and zeaxanthin. It will support your heart health as well and then contribute to your nervous system function through the thiamine and the folate. You need Z-maize. Now, for dicryodes edulis, it has got key nutrients such as dietary fiber, unsaturated healthy fats, vitamin C, tocopherols, potassium, magnesium. The major bioactive ingredients in edulis, D edulis is flavonoids that helps with oxidative stress, phenolic compound that helps with inflammation and heart health as well. Tocopherol protect your cells from free radicals damage. It helps with your skin. Phytosterols that help lower bad cholesterol, and then it has got carotenoid that supports eye and immune system. So in a nutshell, Z maize and D edulis are good combined fruits slash food. They are fruits and food. Corn is a fruit. A D edulis is a fruit and they are food. And they help you, with sustained energy, dietary fiber that helps your digestive system, eye protective antioxidant. Together, this will make you delicious, affordable, and nourishing meal that you will enjoy. Now, the issue is with all that this has to offer you and the fact that they are in season now, you should utilize every season to get the best out of every fruit and vegetables, right? They are also quite expensive. One of Zime's cob actually goes for 500 naira now, either cooked or roasted, depending on your states or where you are. And one piece of D Agilis costs 200 to 300 depending on the size. But all that you're seeing here cost me 1,300. The Z Maze was bought for 500, while the D Agilis was bought for 800 in the market, total of 1,300. And I would have it to my feel. Like I would eat to get the quantity that would give me enough dose of the nutrients that I just mentioned in this video. And this is how I do it from time to time. So rather than go out and buy just one cup with one piece of D-adulis that may not get you the right amount of the nutrients to be effective in your system, and you may not get as much as you needed because of the cost. You could just buy one or two and may not even eat it again for some time. Why don't you just go to any local market close to you and spend less to get more. That way, you'll be able to maximize the offers that this nutritious food has to offer you now that they are still in season. And that way, you're doing your health a whole lot of good. If this video is useful to you, like, comment, and share it. Till I see you in my next one, stay safe and bye bye.